So last week, Cathie Wood sold a little over 500,000 shares in Coinbase, totaling roughly 150 million. Now that was the largest block of shares she sold since about mid-February. But if we go to the daily chart, it was kind of like yesterday where she single-handedly supported this $50 level. And I remember, I think this was the big chunk where she bought, and price has not looked back since. For those who wanted to get long, there was another opportunity to buy at this daily buys level at $78. And it gave us another opportunity on this pullback to what was at the time a high in 2023. And then it gave us another opportunity to buy the $200 level when we had basing and they had the breakout. But this was a momentum play because if you scroll up to the weekly chart, you can see that gap higher was into a weekly seller's level at $230. Now, before we continue looking at the charts, let's actually look at the actual article. So, Cathie Wood, investment manager, ARK Invest, sold 580,000 shares in Coinbase, ending the week of March 8th, worth 150 million, at a closing price of $256. Now, she sold this amount of shares over 3 different ETFs: the Innovation, Next Generation Internet, and FinTech Innovation ETF. Again, the total marks the largest offload of Coinbase stock by ARK since the week ending February 16th, when it sold shares worth 151 million at the time. It was also the second highest weekly total since July 2023. Now, there's a reason though for all this. Again, she loaded up at that $50 level, and so per her rules, ARK Invest aims to have no individual holding surpass a 10% weighting of an ETF value, making such a large sell-off necessary when an asset surges in value. Again, she brought that big bag at the $50 level. Coinbase shares have increased by over 80% in value in the last month thanks to a rally of nearly 50% in Bitcoin price during the same period. Now, Coin's weightings across the 3 ETFs remain comfortably in excess of 10%, meaning further sales of ARK can be expected, particularly after Bitcoin hits a new all-time high above $70. So, again, she follows a trading plan, and if you want to be successful in trading, you have to follow your trading plan, regardless of whether institutions are coming in and buying any remaining Bitcoin that's on exchanges and pumping the price of all derivative plays such as Coinbase. Now, regarding the weekly chart, price did close above the upper portion of the zone, making this sell level invalid. So I'm going to remove it from the charts now. And for the week beginning, we are red. And that's okay because from this most recent leg higher, I mean, you're up more than 100%. And you are extended from the moving averages. So if you get a sell-off to this $200 level, let's go to the daily chart. That'll be a great opportunity to go long. Question is, how high can price go? Let's look at the monthly chart. See price consolidating, basing at that 280, but that's just before the next rip higher. Again, price is coming off of the $40 lows and it's up 6x, but there's more room to go. We haven't even reached the Bitcoin halving date yet. And then you're really going to see things rip. Look for Coinbase to take out its all-time highs later this year. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.